Okay. Okay. All right. How many dots do we have there?
10.
Yep. So every time you see one of these strips, there will be 10 dots, okay?
Okay.
So how many altogether?
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80,
Okay. And how many dots do I have here?
80,
And how many strips?
8.
Okay. All right. Now this time, I'm going to do a little different. I'm going to cover some up so they're only those showing. Okay. So how many dots are there?
4.
Okay. How many are there now?
14.
Okay. How many now?
24.
And how'd you get that?
By counting the 2 10s to make 20 and added on the 4.
Okay.
34, 44, 54, 64, 74.
Okay. All right. I'm going to do a similar sort of thing, but this time, let's start with that many. Okay. How many dots?
7.
Okay. How many now?
17.
Okay.
27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77.
All right. See, not so bad. Don't be nervous. All right. Now, to do some work with something that I really like. Okay. All right. How many dots are there?
10.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is cover those up, okay, and then show you some more. How many dots are there now?
3.
Okay. And what about including this amount under here?
13.
Okay. Now how many dots are there?
20.
Okay. And including, so always include the amount that's under here.
So 33.
Okay. How'd you get that?
By adding the 3 10s that I saw, and those 3 10s make 30, and then I added on the 3.
Okay. I gotcha. How many now?
4.
Okay. And all together?
37.
Okay. And I heard you counting a little bit. Can you tell me what you were counting?
I was counting the ones.
Okay. What did it sound like when you were counting? Like how did you solve that? How did you get 37?
So I had the 10s, and then I just counted the 3 and the 4 all together.
Okay. What did it sound like when you counted the 3 and the 4 all together?
So 30, and then went 31, 32, 33, and that was 30, and then 34, 35, 36, 37.
Excellent.
And that was the 4.
Okay. I understand. Now how many?
3.
Okay. And all together?
40.
Okay. Now how many?
10.
All together? Okay. How'd you get 51?
Because I added the 10s, and then I added the 3, and then 4, and then 4 again.
Okay. And how many now?
2.
Okay. And how many all together? Here, if you use your fingers, will you put them up here so I can see them on the camera? Okay. And how'd you get that? What numbers were you saying when you had your fingers
I
out?
said 30 and then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36. I lost count.
It's okay. You mean tell you how many you said under here?
Yeah.
You said there were, I think it was 51 under here.
So 52, 53,
Okay. Now how many altogether?
20. Oh.
If you count out loud, it'll be a little bit easier.
54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73.
Okay. And I know how you did that one. All right. Let's do a little bit more.
Okay. This is hard.
Is it?
Yeah. Because I don't have really good memory.
Well, that's all right. If you need me to repeat something, just let me know. Okay. All right. Make sure this is the right one. Yep. Okay. How many dots are there?
4,
Okay. Now how many are there altogether?
14,
Okay. Now how many dots are there altogether?
34.
Okay. How'd you get that?
By adding the tens and the ones.
Okay. Now how many altogether?
Six. 46.
Okay. And how'd you get that?
Because I add the tens and then I didn't do these together. I did them separate to do them so I could add that onto the ones.
Okay. And how many altogether now?
Who's under here?
There were 46.
46, 60, 60, okay. And then 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65.
65? Okay.
Yeah.
I think I know how you did that one. Did you separate the tens and then the ones again? Alrighty. Well, we're all done with that. That was easy, right? I'm just kidding. It may have been a little challenging.
Sort of challenging.
That's alright.
I remember that.
That's when our brain grows the most.
That one's the hardest.
Oh, yeah?
I like this one.
Okay. Alright, read this, please.
16 plus 10
And
equals.
work that problem out for me.
So the two tens were 10. 1 and 1, and then I know 1 and 1 is 2, so you just add a 0, which makes 20, and then 6 plus 0 is 6, so 26.
Okay. Now, can you use what you know about this to help you solve that?
So 1 plus nothing equals 1, and then 9 plus 6 equals 15, and then if we were regrouping, we would add another to this and make that 20, and then it would be 25.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Wait. Yeah.
You sure? I'm just like, are you sure in your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Will you read this card for me?
42 plus 23 equals.
Okay. And work out that problem.
4 plus 2 is 6, and then add a 0, 60. And then 2 plus 3 is 5, and then that would be 65.
Okay. Is there another way you could work that problem out?
Not that I could think of.
Okay. Alright, read that one for me.
28 plus 24.
Read that one more time for me.
38 plus 24.
There you go. Alright, now work out that problem.
3 plus 2 is 5, and that would equal 50. That would make 50, and then 8 plus 4 is 12, and then we add another on to 50 would make 62.
Okay. Another way you could do that?
We could just add, we could just count 24, but the way that I did it is a way that you could break it up.
What do you mean, count 24?
Like 38, 39, like that.
Okay, I see. Alright. Read that one for me
39 plus 53 equals.
and work that problem out.
3 plus 5 is 8, and 80, that make 80, and then 9 plus 3 is 12, and then we add another on to 80 makes 90, so 92.
Okay. Is there another way? Or do you know another way?
No.
No? How about that one?
56 minus 23
Okay.
equals. So we can do 5 minus 2, which would be 3, and then 6 minus 3 would be 3, so 33.
Okay. Is there another way you could do that? No?
It's hard to think of. 43 minus 15 equals, so 4 minus 1 is 3, and then 3 minus 5 we cannot do. But if we switched it, we could, right? Yeah. So if we would switch it, it would be 5 minus 3, and then 5 minus 3 is 2, which would be 32.
Okay. Is there another way you could do that?
No.
Okay. What about that one?
73 minus 48. Okay. So 7 minus 4 is 3, and
Excuse me. Thank you.
and 3 minus 8 we cannot do. So if we would switch it, it would be 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 3 is 6, would be 36.
Okay. Another way?
No.
Don't be discouraged. That's why I'm here to help, right?
Yes.
When you came into my classroom, your mom said that was something she wanted for you.
Mm-hmm.
And you know math is my favorite. All right, I'm missing one thing. Give me a second.
Whiteboard. I know something's fun about
Okay. All right. All right, read this, please.
it. 9 plus 3.
All right, and work that one out.
So 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. Can you use this one to help you solve this?
So we could just add 1 to 12, and if we added 1 to 12, it would be 13, because 3 and 4 are just one number. They're just a number away from each other. So if we just added, we could just add one more
Okay.
to 12. It'd be 13.
Can you use that to help you solve this?
We could add
You cannot learn from.
so 9 plus 5, so it's so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it would be adding another one to 13.
Okay. Can you use that to help you solve that one?
No.
Oh, excuse me. I was like, that doesn't look
So
like
9 plus 6, we could add one more to 14, because those are just one number away from each other.
Okay, so what would 9 plus 6 be?
My head's frozen right now. 15.
Okay.
I had a brain freeze.
Oh, you're good. Okay. If I had another card, could you predict what equation it would be?
9 plus 7.
Okay.
Wait, no. Yeah. 9 plus 7.
Alright. Forgotten the eraser. Alright. How are we doing on time? Doing pretty well. Okay. Read that card for me
6 plus 6
and work out that problem.
equals 12.
And how'd you know that?
Because if we add 6 more to 6, it would make 12.
Okay. Can you use this to help you solve this?
So 7 plus 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. Can you use this to help you solve this?
8 plus 4 would equal 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay.
I see that.
What do you see?
I see that this side is going, up numbers, and this side is going down numbers. So I think that pattern is making us get 12 on all of this.
Okay. Well, then can you use that to help you solve this one?
9 plus 3 equals 12.
How do you know?
Because they're still going up numbers, and this side is still going down numbers.
Okay. I think I understand what you're saying. Alright. Oh yeah. Shocker. Alright, read this card for me
7 minus 5
and work out that problem.
equals, so 7 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 2.
Okay. No, I saw how you did that one. Can you use this to help you solve this one?
27 minus 5, so we could do 2 minus nothing equals 2, and then 7 minus 5 is 2, so that equals 22.
Okay. Can you use this to help you solve this?
47 minus 5, so we can do 4 minus nothing equals 4, and then 7 minus, wait, what? Okay, 7 minus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which equals 2, so then it would be 42.
Okay. I'm gonna get my cards all mixed up. We're almost done with part 1. The next part is shorter. All right. Oh, wait a second. Yellow. All right. Read this card, please.
15 plus 3.
Okay, and work that one out.
15 plus 3, so we can add 1 to nothing, which equals 1, and if we added 0, it would make 10. And then if we did 5 plus 3, that equals 5, 6, 7, 8, so it'd be 18.
Okay. Now, can you use this to help you solve this?
18 minus 3 is, so 18 minus nothing is, 1 minus nothing is 1, and then 8 minus 3 is 6, so it would be 16.
Okay. If I tell you that 21 take away 16 is 5, can you use this to help you solve this?
$16.
Okay. How do you know?
Because they still have the same numbers in it,
Mm-hmm.
but we're just missing one number, and that number is 16. And it's only a little number that you're taking away from it, so that's how I got 16.
Okay. All right. Read this, please.
6 plus 8 equals 14.
Okay. Can you use this to help you solve this?
8 plus 6 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay. And can you use these, both of these, to help you solve that?
14 minus 6 equals 8.
And how'd you know that?
Because they still have the same numbers in it. And once again, we're still missing one number from this top one. And we already have the 14 and the 6. And we're just missing the 8.
Okay. What is another number sentence that you know from this?
We could do 6. We can switch this one and make 6 minus 14.
Okay. All right. Dude, we're done.
With part 1?
With part 1.